Okay, so let's move on to the next variety of question. So this is about a bank. Okay, this information is about a bank. If you remember, when I had done the very initial, very initial lecture on ABCS, I had said, कि, this ABCS costing is more preferable and more useful. The best applicability of this system is for people who are service providers. So bank is one such example. I had given you the example of ATM ka transaction ka example also. I had given it to you, right? Yeah. So yeah, here we come to the application of the sum in banks now. So DEF bank operated for years under the presumption that profitability can be increased by increasing the rupee volumes, but that has not been the case. So cost analysis reveals the following thing, which is in front of you. Activity, you have these four activities of the bank, that is providing ATM services, then computer processing, issuing statements, that is bank statements, and customer inquiries. So they have divided their overheads into these फोर एक्टिविटीज. ठीक है, तो ये इनका टोटल, तो ये इनका एक्टिविटी है, ये इनका कॉस्ट पूल है. सो अगर आप इसको टोटल करोगे, so 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 plus 8 is 19, 19 plus 3, okay, is 22. So it becomes 22,60,000. तो उनका overheads कितना है? 22,60,000, and it is divided in this four activities. Okay, so here is the activity driver, मतलब cost driver. Okay, yeah. So number of transactions for the first two activity, number of statements for the third activity, and telephonic minutes for the last activity. And this is my activity capacity, matlab cost driver capacity, which I need for calculating my CDR, cost driver rate. Okay, next, the annual information of the three products is, तो बैंक के ये products है. Okay, products matlab these services they are rendering. What? Savings account is their first product, personal loans is their second product, and credit cards is their third product. Okay, yeah. So based on this, yeah, so units produced is given to you. Yes, 30,000, 5,000 and 10,000. ATM transactions दिया हुआ है. ओके, पर्सनल लोन के लिए बिल्कुल नहीं है, जीरो है इधर. सो दे हैव नॉट यूटिलाइज दैट सर्विसेज. तो याद है ना, मैंने एग्जांपल में जब बताया था फर्स्ट लेक्चर में, अगर आप सर्विसेज उसके यूटिलाइज नहीं करो तो आप उसका पेमेंट भी नहीं करोगे, राइट? या computer transactions, these are the number of statements, and these are the telephonic minutes given to you. ठीक है, they have told you to calculate the rates for each activity, मतलब CDR, cost driver rate, and they want you to calculate the cost of each product, मतलब the cost per unit, the cost price for savings account, cost price for personal loans, and cost price for credit cards. Am I clear? Okay, yeah, thank you. So let us calculate the CDR in the question. Yeah, so this is the calculation of CDR. So activity pool is how much? 1 lakh. 1 lakh divided by capacity, cost driver capacity 2 lakhs. So that makes it to, sorry, 1 divide, I'll directly do it. 1 divided by 2 lakhs, right? So 0.5, 50 paisa per transaction. Then next one, 10 lakhs divided by 25 lakhs. Okay, so that makes it to 40 paise per transaction. Next, 8 lakhs divided by number of statements, 5 lakhs. So that makes it to 1.6 per transaction, per statement, sorry, per statement. Then 3 lakh 60 divided by number of phone calls, kitna? 6 lakhs phone calls. So that makes it to 60 paise per telephonic minute. Okay, am I clear about this? And see, the cost driver capacity is also calculated in this sum, right? आपको फाइंड करने की जरूरत नहीं है. जनरली अभी तक हमने जितने भी सम्स किए थे, कॉस्ट ड्राइवर कैपेसिटी हम खुद ही कैलकुलेट करते थे, बट यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है. ओके, सो CDR is clear to everyone. Cost driver rate calculation, 50 paisa, 40 paisa, 1 rupee 60 paisa and 60 paise. Okay, अब आप क्या करोगे? टोटल कॉस्ट निकालोगे तो इंडिविजुअल एक्टिविटी के कॉस्ट कैपेसिटी से उसको मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, करेक्ट? या So here comes my cost calculation for the product. First for the savings account. So these are the services that has been used. Please look into the question also. I'm keeping both the frames in front of you. Yeah. So let me highlight it to you. Yera. ATM transaction 1,80,000, then 0 and 20. So accordingly multiply karo 1,80,000 into 0.5 makes it to 90,000. सेकेंड वाला तो जीरो होगा. आई टोल्ड यू अगर आपने वो सर्विस नहीं ली है तो आप उसके लिए पेमेंट भी नहीं कर रहे हो. दे आर नॉट इवन चार्जिंग यू फॉर दैट, राइट? देन 20,000 into 0.5 makes it to 10,000. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्या है? कंप्यूटर प्रोसेसिंग. कंप्यूटर प्रोसेसिंग का सीडीआर क्या है? सॉरी सीडी क्या है? कॉस्ट ड्राइवर कैपेसिटी सीडीसी ये रहा. 20 lakhs, 2 lakhs and 3 lakhs. ठीक है. So quantity multiplied with rate, right? So 20 lakhs multiplied with 40 paisa per transaction. So it comes to 8 lakhs. Then 2 lakhs multiplied with 40 paisa per transaction comes to 80,000. Then 3 lakhs multiplied with 0.4 comes to 1,20,000. ठीक है. I hope I am clear with the calculations. Third one is number of statements. So ये रहा मेरा statements. 3,50,000 and 1,50,000 multiplied with the rate. So 3 lakhs multiplied with 1.6, 4,80,000. Then 50,000 multiplied with 1.6 makes it to 80,000. Then 1,50,000 multiplied with 1.6 makes it to 2,40,000. Okay. I guess the calculation part you can resonate with whatever I am connecting it to. And last is this telephonic minutes. So what are the telephonic minutes ratio? 3,50,000, 90,000 and 1,60,000. Okay. So 3,50,000 multiplied with 0.60, that is 60 paisa, 0.6. So 2,10,000. 90,000 multiplied with 0.6 makes it to 54,000. And 1,60,000 telephonic calls multiplied with 60 paisa per call. So it makes it to 96,000. Okay. Clear about the bifurcation? And now total it. 96,000 plus 2,40,000 plus 1,20,000 plus 10,000. So my total overheads is 4,66,000 divided with units produced. Units produced is given in the question here. This is my units produced. So divided by 10,000. So that gives me 46 rupees 60 paise. Okay, cost per unit for the third product, that is credit card section. Then 80,000 plus 80,000 plus 54,000. कितना हुआ? 2,14,000 divided with units produced 5,000. So it becomes 42 rupees 80 paisa for the personal loan product. And last 90,000 plus 8 lakhs. Sorry, it is 8 lakhs only. 90,000 plus, make it 8,90,000 plus 4,80,000 plus 2,10,000. So kitna hua? 15,80,000 divided with units produced 30,000. So it comes to 52 rupees 6666666. Make it 67 paisa. Okay, for the savings account. Okay, savings account उनका first product है. फिर पर्सनल लोन, फिर क्रेडिट कार्ड. बैंक्स ऐसे ही अपने प्रोडक्ट को कैटेगराइज करता है ना. वो थोड़ी ना प्रोडक्ट बनाते हैं, वो तो सर्विसेज रेंडर करते हैं. तो उन्होंने अपने सर्विसेज को भी प्रोडक्ट वाइज नेम दिया हुआ है. दैट इज सेविंग्स अकाउंट इज देयर फर्स्ट सर्विस, नेम अ प्रोडक्ट, देन पर्सनल लोन्स एंड देन क्रेडिट कार्ड्स. Am I clear with this sum? Is it understood? Now you all have understood in detail what is ABC. Yeah? Yeah, that's fine. Better. Thank you. Okay, so the overview of the topic is there in front of you. Nearly about 6 to 7 sums we have solved. Abhi tak. Yeah. So more sums to go. In the next lecture, we will cover that.